Good day, everyone. Today I will be discussing Charles Darwin and his theory of natural selection. This presentation will help us understand how life evolves and why this theory is still important today. And now, for the next slide is introducing Charles Darwin. Charles Darwin is one of the most influential scientists in history. He introduced the theory of evolution by natural selection, which explained how living organisms change over time. His ideas help shape modern science and our understanding of life. And now, proceed for the background of Charles Darwin. Charles Darwin was born on February 12, 1809 in England. He was a naturalist, meaning he studies plants, animals, and nature. From a young age, he was very curious about the natural world, which later led him to develop his famous theory. The voyage of the HMS Beagle, one of the most important events in Darwin's life, was his journey on the HMS Beagle. This voyage lasted 5 years, from 1831 to 1836. During this trip, Darwin explored many places, especially the Galapagos Island, where he observed different species of animals. And now, what is evolution? Evolution is the process by which organisms change over time. These changes happen slowly across many generations. Through evolution, species adapt to their environment and may eventually become entirely new species. And now, theory of natural selection. Darwin's theory of natural selection explains how evolution happened. It states that organisms that are better adapted to their environment are more likely to survive and reproduce. This idea is often called survival of the fittest. And now, they have a 40 principle of natural selection. First is variation, which means individuals in species are different. Second is inheritance, where traits are passed from parents to offspring. Third is competition, because resources are limited. And the last, selection, where those with better traits survive and reproduce. And now, let's proceed the importance of in science, technology, and society. In science, Darwin's theory became the foundation of modern biology because it explained how living things change over time. And it helped scientists understand genetics, how traits are passed from parents to offspring, adaptation, how organisms adjusted to their environment, and biodiversity, why there are so many different species on Earth. Because of Darwin, biology is not just about describing life, it explains why and how life evolves. And now, for the technology, Darwin's ideas are very important in modern medicine and technology. Scientists are natural selection to study how diseases evolve, like viruses and bacteria. Understand antibiotic resistance, where bacteria become harder to kill. Develop better medicine and vaccine. This means Darwin's theory helped save lives by improving healthcare and scientific research. And now for the society. Darwin's theory also changed how people think about life. It changed traditional beliefs that all species were created exactly as they are today. It introduced the idea that humans and other living things share common ancestors. It helps people understand that humans are part of nature, not separate from it. Because of this, Darwin's theory influenced not only science but also philosophy, religion, and human identity. And now for the next slide. Why is relevance today? Today, Darwin's theory is still very important. It helps scientists understand things like antibiotic resistance in bacteria, conservation of endangered species, and the effects of climate change on living organisms. And for the first picture, bacteria can change or mutate over time. When people take antibiotics, most bacteria die, but some may already have a natural resistance. This resistant bacteria survive and continue to reproduce over time. More and more bacteria become resistant, making the antibiotic less effective. This is an example of natural selection because only the bacteria with the stronger trait survives and multiply. And for the next picture, as the climate change, animals must adjust to new conditions like rising temperature or loss of habitat. In this example, some animals migrate to cooler places, others develop physical changes like thinner fur. Animals can adapt survive, while those that cannot may decrease in number or become extinct. This show natural selection where only the animals suited to the new environment survive. For my personal insight. For me, Charles Darwin's theory of natural selection is not just about science. It is also about life. It teaches that survival is not about being the strongest or the smartest, but about being able to adapt to change. In real life, we face many challenges such as school pressure, personal struggles, and unexpected situations. Just like organism is nature, we need to adjust, learn, and grow in order to succeed. Darwin's ideas also made me realize that challenge is natural part of life. Instead of being afraid of it, we should accept it and use it as an opportunity to improve ourselves.